working in the sector of disability. Today I'm extremely delighted to announce that one of its kind, a state of art composite regional center, which has been recently approved by Government of India, and I thank the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Ji Modi, and our own Union Minister, Sri Dr. Virendra Kumar Ji. This CRC will provide under one roof various courses and rehab services to all PWDs from Goa. So this is a big announcement that I was saying, and Mr. Commissioner was referring to, because this will change the life, and we would find every PWDs will find an opportunity to learn better and to have their own livelihood.
Composite Regional Center. It is totally funded by the central government. एकाच जाग्यार ज्यो कितें गजाली डिसेबिलिटी सेंटराक लागता, वेदर देर आर कोर्सीस लायक ऑक्युपेशनल थेरपी आसतले, स्पीच थेरपी आसतले. आतां तुमकां खबर आसा की स्पीच थेरपीज गोंयांत मेळना. आमी एट दिली सुद्दां मेळना, प्रत्येक स्कुलान शॉर्टेज आसा. हे सगळे कोर्सीस हांगा जातले, हे कोर्सीस हांगा गोंयांत ना. आतां आमी सायन लँग्वेज कोर्स सुरू केलो अंडर CRC. तो CRC has already started, but at a very, very small scale. But it is now going to take a shape in a proper building which will be totally funded by the central government. And various courses, various rehab services, various facilities for family members of person with disabilities, which is very, very important, which will be started. Counseling astale, assessment too थंय जातले, disability certification जातले, special educationाचे courses थंय सुरू जातले. आणि हे सगळे आसतना ताची ती रनिंग कॉस्ट जी आसा, डे टू डे खर्च जो आसा तो सुद्धा सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट करतली.
बिल्डिंग खंय जातली?
आता स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट will allot the land, आणि they are soon finalizing the plot of land.